Hello everyone, here I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to the scrapyard with a small load, some steel, a copper aluminum radiator, copper, aluminum there, some pieces of brass, quite heavy this piece, some high grade boards, low grade boards down there, and I'll buy some more high grade boards and sell them at a higher price. So yeah, let's see what we got. So guys, bad and good news. I was able to sell the scrap that I have, and even in my way to the scrapyard, I stopped and I bought from a guy 8 kilos of this kind of boards. So 8 kilos of this kind of boards, DVD-ROM, CD-ROM boards, and I bought them because my scrapyard, I was able to sell these boards to them along with motherboards. So mid-grade board, they give me motherboard price till now. So the bad news is not anymore. They even reject this at all. So they said low grade, and I refuse it to let the price go down. I'm gonna keep searching for buyers of this kind of boards. Also copper aluminum radiator, they said aluminum price. I think I can get the copper out and get better value. I have plenty of time, so I'm gonna continue scrapping, even though I will sell this as mid-grade boards. Well, till now I was fortunate to have that price, but yeah, this is it. I'm doing this because I like it, so it doesn't matter that much the prices. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Keep scrapping, guys. Have fun. Peace.